If you want to create videos using Synthesia, here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started quickly. First, go to the Synthesia website and sign up for a free account. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can start building your video. Next, click on the Template section. You'll see a wide range of pre-made templates designed for different types of videos, like tutorials, marketing content, training videos, and presentations. Choose the one that fits your goal. After selecting a template, click on Use Template to open the editor. Now, it's time to create your script. In the text box, type what you want the AI avatar to say. Keep it clear and natural, since the AI will read it exactly as written. Once your script is ready, you can preview it to hear how it sounds. Synthesia will automatically generate a voiceover using an AI avatar that speaks your text. From here, you can customize your video. You can change the avatar, adjust the background, add text, shapes, or even insert media like images or clips to make your video more engaging. You can also add captions if needed, which helps improve accessibility and viewer engagement. When everything looks good, simply generate the video and wait for it to render. Once it's ready, you can play it back and make any final edits if needed. And that's it! You've just created a video using Synthesia in a few simple steps.